This vehicle is equipped with the lower anchors and tethers for children latch system, which includes lower anchors and top tether anchors. Please see your owner's manual to find out which seating positions are equipped with anchor points. The seat belts in your vehicle can also be used to secure the child restraint. For details on the proper installation of child restraint systems, please read the Child Restraint Owner's Manual and the special section in your vehicle's owner's manual. You can also check the INFINITI Snug Kids Child Restraint System Fit Guide for your vehicle. The Snug Kids Child Restraint System Fit Guide helps parents confidently select a CRS that fits their vehicle and also provides valuable tips on the proper installation of a CRS. You can find the Snug Kids Child Restraint System Fit Guide at www.infinitiusa.com/snugkids. First, select your vehicle. Next, select the appropriate model year range, seating configuration, and type of CRS. Then choose the vehicle seating position. A list of compatible CRS options is displayed based on your selections. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.